In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add activity in Google Calendar. We'll walk through it together on the web so you can get an event on your calendar in just a minute. Start by opening your browser and going to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so your calendar can save changes. In the top right, click the Google Apps grid, the small square of dots, and choose Calendar. This opens your main calendar view. You can switch between day, week, or month views depending on how you like to plan. The process is the same in each. Once you're in Google Calendar, look to the top left and click Create. On some screens, this may appear as a plus icon. It does the same thing. A panel appears with options for different types of entries. Choose Event. This is the option you'll use for any activity you want to schedule. At the very top, type a clear title for your activity, for example, Cooking Class. A descriptive title makes it easy to recognize at a glance. Next, set the date. Use the date field to pick the day when the activity will happen. If you need a future month, use the arrows to move forward or back. Then set the time by adjusting the start and end fields. Pick the exact times or toggle it to all day if there isn't a specific time window. Double check that the duration looks right and keep an eye out for overlapping items so you can avoid conflicts. You can make the event more useful with a few optional details. Add a location if you're meeting somewhere. This helps with directions and travel time. Use the description area to capture notes, an agenda, or links you'll need. If others are joining, add guests by entering their email addresses so they receive an invite and the event shows on their calendars. If you plan to meet online, add a video call and a Google Meet link will be attached automatically, making it easy for everyone to join. These details keep everything in one place and reduce back and forth messages. When everything looks good, click Save. If you added guests, you'll be asked whether to send invitations. Choose Send so they're notified. Your activity now appears on your calendar. You can click it any time to edit details, move it to another date, or delete it if plans change. Try viewing it in week or month view to confirm it's placed exactly where you expect. That's all it takes. By using a clear title, accurate date and time, and those optional details, you make your calendar entries actionable and easy to share. Pause here to add your own activity, and I'll see you in the next lesson.